Welcome back. It's Life with Tamika Lynn. I hope you are having a wonderful Saturday. It is day 21 of Vlogmas. I have been traveling most of the day, so took a quick trip, flew out this morning, came back this late tonight. It's literally almost midnight and just getting home, but I wanted to get day 21 in, so yeah, here we are. Anyways, so outside of just, flying, had some stuff to do. We picked up family as well, and now we're back home. And I'm gonna crash after I finish this video. However, it was a good day. I won't complain. It was a good day. Anywho, on today's video, the bag of the day, if you might have seen it in the little sneak peek I put in the front of the video, but the bag of the day is the beautiful On The Go MM in reverse monogram. Now, I did carry this bag today, as you saw in the little clip I inserted, but this is one of my favorite bags by far. This is such a boss bag. I love this bag so very much. I usually carry it like, I won't say like special occasions, but it's not just an everyday bag for me. Reason being, the bag does kind of get heavy if I wear it on the shoulder. So it's not the lightest bag in the world, but it is probably one of the prettiest. So let's get into some details. First off, I do use an organizer with this bag. So I'm just gonna pull the organizer out. And this is what it looks like. I have my stuff in the center. Got this organizer off of Amazon, no specific brand, just the off-brand, organizer found on Amazon that will work for my bag. The inside of the bag is this beautiful cherry red. It does have one zipper compartment, as you can see, and two slip pockets right here. Now the zipper compartment, I normally put like my keys in there, as you can see, the garage remote, because my car was parked at the airport, so I don't like to leave my garage remote when my car is parked. And other than that, the inside zipper is empty. But I would say you could definitely fit like a card holder, wallet, passport if you were traveling, just things that you would want to be more secured if the bag should fall over, because it does not have a zipper. It does have this little closure lock at the top, but it's still, quite open still. So that's the inside of the bag. Very straightforward. This is a textile material, so the bag could definitely get dirty. So that's why I use this organizer. But with this deep cherry red color, it's harder to get dirty. But I mean, if you didn't take care of it, it definitely could get dirty. This bag has two top handles, as you can see, which are in reverse monogram. I love that little detail. So on this side with the traditional monogram, in jumbo print of course, you see the reverse handle. And then on the back side, it has the reverse monogram with the traditional handle. So I love that little detail. On the sides, it has, you can see that, regular size monogram and reverse regular size monogram. So the bag, just the whole way around, is reverse monogram. Absolutely love that. And then the bottom, it just meets in the middle with the two prints. Now, the bag does have, in addition to top handles, it does have two black straps where you could carry it over the shoulder. I have carried it over the shoulder, and that's what I meant when I said it gets heavy. Like one day I was in the office and I used this bag that particular day that I went to the office, so I had my laptop in it. My laptop didn't fit the long way. I had to put it, up and down. However, between like the laptop, I had a couple of files with me. I had a wallet, maybe a mini pochette, keys, my badge for the building, pen, like those were the things I was carrying. By the time I left the parking garage and made it to security, my shoulder was killing me. So this bag can get extremely heavy, but if I carry it top handle like this, it's a little better. But definitely if you had a laptop sticking out the top, it would be harder, of course, to carry it top handle like this. But I absolutely love this bag. I've loved it from the very beginning. The original edition of this bag had a lot of quality issues. So Louis Vuitton changed the handles a bit and then re-released the bag, I want to say like within the first year of its initial release. So I do have that second version of the bag, and I've had this for several years. Now this bag does come in other colors, other colorways, other prints, other materials. Actually, I have the Empreinte version. I'll insert a photo in the MM size on my wish list. I've just been hesitant to buy it though because how heavy this bag is. I feel like the Empreinte would be even heavier. Now, I did also want the Empreinte black in the GM size. However, that bag has had a lot of like quality issues. It's because of the size of the bag, but right here, the bag kind of like collapses in the GM Empreinte leather version. So that's the only reason I didn't buy that bag, because initially I wanted that bag after buying this one. And then if, you know, finances would allow, eventually down the line, I was going to get the MM size. But scratch the GM off of my list altogether because I just saw so many issues with that bag and it not keeping its shape or form. So I just kind of like forgot about that. But the MM size is still on my wish list. I don't know. Maybe one day I'll pull the trigger. I don't know. It's like one of those things where it's not a necessary need. It's just a want. And so I haven't been able to bring myself to actually buy it. But I don't know, maybe one day if I just have some extra cash laying around, I'll get it. But yeah, so this was my bag of the day, bag 21 for Vlogmas season. I loved carrying her today. Like I said, definitely carried her top handle all day. I will probably not carry her tomorrow. We are headed to a Christmas party tomorrow, so I'm probably gonna carry a smaller bag, so we'll see. But I will be back tomorrow with another video. I know this one was kind of fast, very short, but I just wanted to make sure I stayed committed and got you guys in a day 21. I will see you back here tomorrow. Until then, be safe.